Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add sub-items in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding sub-items in Monday.com is a straightforward process that will allow you to break down tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces within a single item. This feature is particularly useful for complex projects where tasks have multiple components. Now, you see, once you are here on Monday.com, you will be welcome with your main workspace. All you're going to do is open the board where you want to add these sub-items, all right? Now here, once you are here, find the item task you wanted to add sub-items to. I'm gonna look into this task, which is how to add sub-items in Monday.com. It's already open, by the way. Now, all you're gonna do is there's gonna be a plus button here to the side to the item name. Click on it. You see that? Right click, and there's gonna be an option that says add sub-item. All right. Now, on the sub-item here, you can rename this as maybe sub-items in Monday.com. Now, once sub-items are created, they can be managed independently or in relation to the main item. And of course, you can update the statuses assigned team members right here. You can add column right here. For example, you wanted to add a number or the timeline, people, date, status, whatever you wanted. You can also add an specific people for the role here. You can invite a new member by email, all right? And you can put in another one who could be collaborating here. And of course, all of you guys can track the progress specifically for each sub-items. You see the status, you have multiple options on the status wherein you can customize the column, add description, restrict column editing. So there's a lot. You can group by, collapse, and sort by column. You can even rename the status, for example, maybe this one. So there's a lot that you can work here. All right, you can expand or collapse sub-items in under their parent, which is this one, to keep your board organized. Because sub-items can also be displayed in various views like Kanban, calendar, depending on how you have set up your board. In my case, I believe I've chosen the calendar, if I'm not mistaken. All right, and of course, by organizing related tasks under the main item, you can keep your board clean and focused by adding the sub-items here in Monday.com. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.